I'm definitely rocking with these for sure. Look at that, the mesh is a real comfortable shoe. Look at the shoelaces, the details. Welcome back. It's your boy Sidney Tarver. We here for another episode on the road to riches. It's not even no episode. I don't know what we got going on, but we're gonna figure it out. Nah, we back for the special Shoe Saturday edition. Today, let me see what we're getting into. We getting into the Nike Zoom Vomero 5 PRM, size 13. Smells good. Let's see. Got the classic traditional Nike bottle. Let's get into it. I'm playing too much. You know we don't care nothing too much about this material shit. Let's get into it. I like this shoe. That's a nice looking shoe. Simple. Smell good, good clean colorway. You can wear it with a lot of different outfits. Let's see. Yeah, I'm definitely rocking with these for sure. Look at that. The mesh is a real comfortable shoe. Look at the shoelaces, the details. Different details. This everyday runner type shoe. This where you run your errands, you run into town. You would put you a nice sweatsuit on and run to town. Put these on, get on to the airport. Look how the gray, different the details. This is a simple shoe, clean, simple, straight to the point. This is what I like. It looks super, super comfortable too. Bottom, it almost reminds you of like some New Balance. This is like Nike version of like a New Balance type shoe. Got the gray on gray, the gray, white, silver, all nice, neutral color. The Bowerman series, I don't know, they got some dude in here. Nice little artwork. This for the plane. You know, these just some city town runners running the errands, running the town. I fuck with them for sure, 100%. These definitely ain't going in the trash can. I'll probably wear these. I'll probably get my daddy a pair of these too for Christmas. Shout out my dad, man. My dad, I always keep him in the fly shoes too. Cut that box, fuck that box. I don't worship no material things. We don't worship none of this stuff. But yeah, I'm definitely rocking with the Nike Vomero 5s, 100%. 100%. I'm taking these home with me. I'm wearing these probably on my next trip. Let me look and see what my next trip is. These definitely making the suitcase. Don't wear them with a fit to find a fit. Let's see. Headed to the airport Saturday. We're gonna have these on later this evening. I'm gonna have them next Saturday. We're gonna have them on. We're wearing these to the airport. Good size 13. Look comfortable, real soft fishing shoe. Sturdy. We're gonna run to town in them. Some basic Nike runners. We ain't doing too much. We ain't trying to be seen. We just trying to get to the money, handle our business, and keep it kicking through the city. We ain't trying to be seen. We ain't always on Front Street with the shoes. You know how I go. Just a good, clean, everyday shoe. Wear it, take it to the gym. This probably could even be a gym shoe once I get to wear it. Get on the treadmill, go run a few miles. Wear it to the gym, do some yoga, some boxing. Go take a hike, go walk in the canyon with it. It's a good workout shoe, an everyday shoe. You need these though. You can't always have the fly, flashy, designer type shoes. You get you a good, clean Nike. We're gonna wear it to the park. We're gonna wear it and hang out and be fly still. You're not doing a lot, you chilling. We just chilling. We ain't always on Front Street, baby. Sometimes you gotta chill and play the cut. This my play the cut shoe, man. This your move in silence shoe right here. When you wear these, you moving in silence. I see you come through with these on. We moving in silence, handling business, getting in and out. We ain't trying to do too much. Make it to the next day. That's all with these. So yeah, I'm definitely rocking with these. Definitely. Gotta get my dad a pair too. Dad, you finna get some of these. Let me go on and order you. I might just give you these too, my dad. I'll order me another pair. I might give these to my dad though. My daddy definitely gonna rock these. They cost, I don't know if they was $150, maybe $150, $160. We'll get you the price quote. These are everyday affordable shoe. It's not gonna bust your budget. It's just a good, comfortable shoe. Probably one of the most comfortable shoes I've ever seen from Nike. I have a different few pairs. They come in a few different colorways, but yeah. This is probably a super comfortable shoe. Give it for your dad. This will be a good Father's Day gift. Get your aunt them. They can cook on the barbecue grill out. Cook some ribs. My dad like to grill. These some good grilling shoes. I can see my daddy grilling in these all summer. Summer coming up, Dad. I got you some grilling shoes, man. We finna do it just like that. But yeah, welcome to another edition of Shoe Saturday. We hanging out, Finna put some, we need to go barbecue. I feel like we need to cook out. Dad, I need to get a flight to Tennessee so we can go throw some meat on the grill, hang out, barbecue. I got you some new comfortable shoes. We finna kick it all summer in these. This how we coming into summer. I'm coming with these in the summer. I'm gonna get me another pair, get these to my dad. We're gonna rock these all summer, be comfortable with the short suit, sweatsuit, get on the plane, everyday Aaron shoe. You can't go wrong. They sturdy. Nah, but thank you for coming to another episode on the Road to Riches Shoe Saturday. We here. We work hard. We play harder. We kick it even harder with the kicks, man. We kicking it all day. So yeah, nice shoe. Zoom in. Let's get it. Nah, this is a good, comfortable shoe. This won't let you down. We out. They ain't going in the trash can, man. That's a winner. Thumbs up. 5 out of 5. 10 out of 10. Do recommend. Nike Zoom Vomero 5. We out.